Here I'm opening this simple ECG form. Now I'm not really interested in the contents of this form for the purposes of demo as much as this simple cross-form edit check that we placed here in big bold letters because we like to show this off. If I trigger this question, I'm asked to confirm the gender of the subject. Earlier I had entered male as the gender of the subject, and if I select male here, nothing happens. However, if I select female here, the system generates an edit check immediately. I don't have to click save and wait for the system to look up the information on a different form and event. It's able to cross-reference that data point in real time, so I can notice my mistake as quickly as possible. Now what I think is really interesting here is that if I enter a time here, and I complete the form, and I hit Save Changes, I now have an open edit check on my form. If I close this form, I can see that it's flagged for me in red. Perhaps now I go back to my demographics form and I realize that this was actually a female subject in the first place. I can edit this to a female. I of course have to provide a reason for change. We'll enter any other requisite information and click Save Changes. Now I want you to pay attention to what happens in the back of the screen here. You can see this small red eye telling me I have an issue on this form. And we know that that's because until what's about to happen, we have a discrepancy between the age that's recorded on the demographics form and the age that's recorded on this other form. So I'm now changing it and they're going to match. And in real time, that edit check automatically resolves on the other form. This greatly speeds up your ability to manage your queries in the system. You don't have to go and cross-reference an old query and manually close that out. The system is smart enough to know when that query is no longer applicable.